Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. So here we have one equation, x plus y equal to 14. I put equation 1, and x minus y equal to 4, equation 2. I'm now going to begin with the first equation. X plus y equal to 14. I cannot solve this equation because I have two variables. X is unknown and y is also unknown. So here we are going to use a method called substitution. So I say x, I find the value of x. So x will be, when I transpose this, I'll get 14 minus y. Now take up the next equation, equation 2. And equation 2 says x minus y equals 4. But I have already know the value of x here. This value of x I'm going to substitute here. So for x I'm going to put this one, 14 minus y. So for this x I will put 14 minus y. And where did I get it? I got it from this value. Minus y equal to 4. Now this has got only two variables and I can solve this. So 14 minus 2y equal to 4. So I have 14 minus 4 equal to 2y. I've taken 4 here, so the plus becomes minus. I've taken this on this side. And 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 equal to 2y. Y equal to 10 by 2, y equal to 5. This is y equal to 5. But if I go back here in equation 1, I know x equal to 14 minus y. So I have x equal to 14 minus y. So x equal to 14 minus, and my y value is here. This is my y value, which I will put here, 5. So I get x equal to 9. So my answer in this case, x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. Here again I get two equations. This is my first equation, and here is my second equation. I'm going to start off with my first equation, equation 1, and there it was s minus t equal to 3. So s will be 3, this will be here, plus t. So this is my equation, this is my 1. I will use it later on. Now take up the next equation, second equation, equation 2, and equation 2 is here, s over 3 plus t over 2 equal to 6. I'm going to put the value of s. Now this value of s I know, it's here, is t plus 3 plus t. I will substitute that value. So for the s I'm going to put 3 plus t, and then I'll continue, over 3 plus t over 2 equal to 6. So you know how you got that t plus 3. I've substituted this value here, and that's why it is called the substitution method, because you substitute the value of one variable in the other. Now if you look up here, I must take the LCM. Now to take the LCM, I know there is 3 here and there is 2 here. So my LCM will be 6. 3 into 2 will be 6. Now what is missing here to make 6? So I have to put here into 2. So I've got to put this also into 2. And here is into 3. 2 3s are 6. So here also into 3. So let me do that now. So we have 2 into 3 plus here will be 3 into t equal to 6. Let's continue. Open the bracket now. We'll do 2 into 3 will get 6. 2 into this will get 2t. 3t over 6 equal to 6. Now this 6, we'll put it up here, so we'll get 6 plus the 2t and 3t will add up and we get 5t. Here it will be 6 into 6, so we have 5t, 6 plus 5t equal to 36. 5t will be 36 minus 6, and that is 30. 5t will be 30, and your t will be 30 over 5, and the t will be 6. So we've got t. Now we need to get s, but we already know from this here that s equal to 3 plus t. So s equal to 3 plus, this is a value of t. We got a value of t here. So we put a value of t here is 6 because we know it now, and we'll get s equal to 9. So for your answer here, your answer, you'll get s equal to 9, t equal to 6.